And today we're going to be hooking up this ceiling fan right here. But first I'm going to show you what the fan looks like, all the specs and features. And then after this, I'm going to do a brief video on how to install it, but it's just going to be a quick time lapse so you can kind of see the steps that I went through. But let's get to the important part. First, let's check out this fan. Okay, so here's the ceiling fan right here. It is a 5-bladed fan. You can choose between this dark finish or a light oak finish on the other side. It does have 2 Edison bulbs. It comes with a nice fixture. And of course it is fully remote control. And you can see on the remote that you have all off, light on, forward, reverse, 6 different speeds, fan off, and a 1, 2, and 4 hour timer. So we're going to start by turning the light on. And you can see it comes with these nice Edison bulbs in it and gives it that nice classic look. It's a very beautiful fan with the satin black finish and the darker blades and with the antique style bulbs, of course. Now we're going to go ahead and click forward, hit 1, and the fan is off. Now when it first takes off, it's a little faster than 1, and then it kind of like idles down. And so when it's running on a low speed like this, you don't even hear it. There's no wobble, there's no shake. It's a very sturdy little fan. We're going to go ahead and turn the light off. And then we can just hit all off and shut everything off. So I think what I like about this fan is this open light fixture right here. You can see it's like a circular light design with the little cross members. And like I said, it is all satin black, dark colored blades, satin top. You can see that you have all the finishing pieces that you need to get a very clean install. And this is going to add that modern retro look to any room that you install this in, and it's going to help keep that room much cooler. So now let's go ahead and we're going to cut to the video of me time-lapsing this fan together. Alright, so now that you've seen the fan and how nice it is and what it can do, now I'm going to show you how to put it up real fast. This isn't going to be a step-by-step. It's really probably going to roll into a time lapse, but I want to show you how everything comes. You're going to have your blades. You're going to have your ceiling mount and cover. You have your light fixture. You have your fan motor. And then here you have your extension pole. Here's your electronics for your remote control. These are your metal brackets for your blades. And then this is the top dust cover that goes on top of the motor. And then you have all your mounting hardware. So not a lot to it. And you have a short pole as well in case you have shorter ceilings like we do and you don't need the longer pole. So we're going to go ahead and start assembling this because I'm going to fully assemble it before I hang it.